We're going to be doing an unboxing today. I have a plant that has been on my wish list for a very long time, but back when plant prices and Hoya prices were insane, I could not afford it, but I found a really good deal from FlyingPlantsShop on Etsy, and I couldn't pass it up. I couldn't pass it up. This plant was $30 shipped. I believe I placed my order on, I want to say it was like Monday or something, and today is Friday and it has arrived. I'm so excited. I hope that it's okay because this is kind of like a smaller package, and I believe it was a soil plant, so I'm hoping that there's not going to be soil everywhere. But let's just go ahead and get right into the video. I've got my trauma shears. I am going to just go ahead and cut right into here. I didn't bother really like trying to set up my little chair to have y'all see me open this or anything because I thought that would be pointless. It has pink tissue paper, whatever you want to call it, and it is like taped down with a little cute succulent. That's a really cute sticker. Wowza. Let me just show you what I'm seeing, y'all. That is gorgeous. That is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised that didn't go all crazy in the mail. I'm glad that nobody crushed it, but you guys, that honestly, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Do you guys see how freaking amazing this plant is? So I bought it as an uncinata. Uncinata, I don't know how you would pronounce that. However, when I googled the name of this plant, my wishlist plant, the Hoya padangensis, that one came up, and it says that they're supposed to be the same plant. They look extremely similar. This used to be the name of the Hoya padangensis. This is a beautiful plant. I have never received a plant, I think, this large from an Etsy shop before. Most of the Hoyas and stuff are just cuttings or really small plants, but this is like a bad boy. Like, that is gorgeous. And the splash is beautiful. This leaf is broken, but judging by how it's like scarred over, I believe it was always broken. I don't think it broke in shipping or anything, but it looks like a beautiful plant. Like, I got this for $30 shipped, y'all. This whole plant was $30 shipped. I think back then when I really wanted the Hoya padangensis, I believe those were going for like $80+, and they were really small plants. So considering this is like actually like a plant and it's in soil and it's gorgeous, I don't know. I couldn't pass it up. I had to buy it. I'm definitely into velvety sort of splashy plants at the moment. I really want a Hoya Ruthier, but I couldn't purchase both of them. I was like, they look too similar to purchase both. I have to go with one or the other, and I had to go with this one. It is gorgeous, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!